Hakapertai ke bagi Jat Jingpang beper ki karoi bha bat ki bajuat ru ban yo ki jing Sumar ki bapaka namar ki jing duna ki tiar scanning haki jaka ai jing Sumar haka shitare ujamang arja arpusan ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital dak jing temu ban wanra ka jing Sumar ka bakampaka kala yo ban Plie Paidbah ya ka DEXA scan ka baya dai shapang ki Jingpang ki bakta haki benta jong ki Shyieng. Ya kini ke DEXA scan, la Plie Paidbah da Reverend W.P. Marban yang moderator ke Khasi Atiar Presbyterian Assembly KJPA, haringkat ke jinga dalang Reverend S.S. Majau Chairman jangka Hospital Governing Board, u Dr. R. Nongrom Medical Superintendent, ki Dr. bat ki nurse, jong kini ke hospital nalor ki we de.
Kerteng boleh pa kun bat mun simak. Kap yang ni ribon jong Texas scan jong hosta Plie ka na kabenta pendan kam je Sumar na kabenta itu nan kam ni ke Jingpang uleng na kabenta buram jong.
So the only way to accurately diagnose this condition is with the DEXA scan. So osteoporosis, there are patients who are at high risk, and till date what we have been doing is we will suspect the disease and treat this further as per clinical suspicion. But with this machine, the DEXA scan, we will be in a position to screen all patients who are at risk and to diagnose all individuals and treat them ahead of time with the aim of preventing life-threatening fractures. So this will also ease the physical and financial burden of major surgical procedures. So the hospital already has a Department of Medicine, Department of Orthopedics, who will be actively treating and diagnosing osteoporosis and is also in the process of developing and establishing a Department of Geriatric Medicine, which we hope to soon establish. And this project will also help with the establishment of this new department. This project will be the backbone and will open the only door for the diagnosis and treatment of osteoporosis and osteopenia, which is very common, relevant and a debilitating illness that affects most of our elderly, but at the same time certain young patients with chronic illnesses like rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, patients who have been on long-term drugs like steroids and heparin, certain immunosuppressants, and till date this common and important disease has most of the time been ignored and diagnosis has not been possible. So this has resulted in many of our patients sustaining fractures, which are again being managed by native bone setters without success resulting in patients being bedbound and in time acquiring many complications and ultimately premature death. So making the DEXA scan facility available in Shillong will also help all the above problems and will open an opportunity to the public to get tested for the same here in the hospital and treatment from doctors within the state itself, as there are already many doctors in the state who are capable of treating osteoporosis. And treatment of osteoporosis is also a very standardized protocol, so many doctors around the state will be able to do the same. Further, the hospital has taken a step to provide this service at a very subsidized and affordable rate. We see in places like in big cities like Atiar and Meghalaya, certain hospitals they charge even up to 6,000 rupees per scan. Roberts, we have made it such that the initial scan, single site, will cost only 500 rupees, and that too with the blessings of Stephen and others from the MHAS, from the government. So they have given us the permission to even include DEXA scan for all IP patients. So this is also a very good thing that has happened, which will help the patients to acquire this service in a more freely manner. The service will also pave the way, like I said, to the establishment of a specialized geriatric department, which will be focused only on the treatment of the elderly. This will be again a very important thing in the years to come, as the number of elderly are increasing day by day. This specialized unit will benefit greatly from this project, because osteoporosis is one of the main activities of the department.
Reverend WP Mar Banyang Uloong bahap pedang gijing ki babun ban pen bet pen biang ya gijing don kam hospital ka longpat ka basko kemen sikat day namar ka jingdon ka DEXA scan kan yarap shibun ya ki nongpang ban yo jing sumar ha kapor ka babiang.
Jadi pa kadang pa kadang trace ito betul bayrak yo dengan mesin pertama. Pada kadang Plie dia kadang mesin pertama tenang ram ya hospital anak ayah kadang sekali ke bakhampak na tementar baru itu di bawah pan Sumar ane ke hospital jongi bunyi kamtam nekalian jongi kabala Nidong kejing seni, bak kejing terang berbor banwan Sumar hakan hosta. Lagi don bor bak momen seman hapik sikiwe pat hosta. Jadi ke bor ke ba angel pun orang se ba jadi bor dan kejing competition. Bagi nilai banten hai hosta kejing. Nama ki nompang yang leng ki banwan hanme But the Lord then the pergi doktor, I getting sickly berapa, mereka pergi doktor, kita orang telah dulu banyak benda yang ke visions and missions, nak benda terpulang betul. Jadi kalian jom ngap murto, jaga sumli, ngap apa kerja semua, ya baru kita terima, but adon kam ha ya kejinglah jom pi unu banyo ya kejiki jom itu pang ban doang kia ada ni kostar
Habatin Paidbah ki kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya